Hi, my name's Chelsea, and I'm going to show you what comes in the box with the brand new BabyBuddha 3.0 and how to properly assemble it. Let's take a look at the motor first. This is the BabyBuddha 3.0. It will come with 2 bottles, 10 caps, 1 charging cord, and make sure this is the cord you always use to charge the pump with. Your lanyard, 2 EasyFit Flange setups with a detachable hard plastic flange. These flanges come with a duckbill with a tab, and pulling on the tab is the easiest and safest way to remove them. On the top here, you will see your cap as well as your backflow protector. Here's what the tubing looks like, as well as the T-connector. The BabyBuddha 3.0 comes with our flange sizing kit, which comes with a ruler and inserts ranging from 13mm up to 21mm. Now let me show you how to assemble your pump and flanges. If you wanted to use the lanyard that comes with the pump, all you have to do is slip it through the loop here and pull it through. If you haven't already, charge your pump fully prior to using it. Now let's assemble your EasyFit flange setup. First, we're going to grab the hard plastic and your soft silicone duckbill. Press the duckbill firmly into the bottom, ensuring that you have a good seal. Next, we're going to put in the soft silicone backflow protector. You're going to pop that right on top, making sure it's completely level on the lip. Now you can grab the white cap and gently twist it onto the top. If you've ever assembled your pump and find yourself with a lack of suction, I suggest you go back and make sure that this white cap is properly assembled. At this point, you can grab your hard plastic flange and pop that right on. It's also the time you can grab an insert if you needed a smaller size. Next, you can screw on your bottle to the very bottom of the flange kit. If you needed larger bottles, we do offer them for sale on our website. Here we are going to assemble the flanges to the tubing and directly to the motor. First, you're going to grab your T-connector. What's unique about our T-connector is when you switch it from side to side, it allows you to either double pump or select which side you wanted to pump on individually. Go ahead and grab your longer tube first. This tube goes on the very bottom. You may see a little gap where it connects, and that is completely normal. Now you can grab your 2 shorter tubes and attach those to either side. To hook the tubing up to the pump, you're going to grab the bottom of the longest tube and plug that right into the side of your motor. Next, you're going to grab the 2 shorter ends of the tubing, and we're going to plug these directly into the white cap on your flanges. And that's it. You're all set to start pumping. If you purchased our collection cups with the pump, I want to show you here how you can easily disconnect your flanges by taking off the little white cap on your tube. Give it a good pull, you're not going to hurt it. All you have to do is now grab your collection cup and pop the tubing into the very top of it. It's very easy and it only takes a few seconds to do. And when you're ready to go back to your flanges, just pop the white cap back on top and you're all set.